Hello, my name is Eric. I'm your teacher of today. We are going to create a triangular arrangement. A triangular arrangement is a very good arrangement and to make an impression on your guests. This arrangement has a front view, as you can see when I turn the bouquet like this. The height, the width and the depth of the face and the place where it will be placed must be taken into account. In an upright composition, the stamp is 1.5 times as high as the face. The width of the flower arrangement should be 1.5 times the width of the face as well. Use leaves at the back of the arrangement for extra paddling to reduce the see-through effect. As you can see in this example, I have used the relicia leaves on the back side to fill it up. I now take you to the first step of the arrangement. Select your flowers. In this case, I have selected flowers that not overpower each other. The arrangement as a whole must be the eye-catcher. In this piece, I choose for hyacinthus, for chrysanthemums, trachelium, dianthus, rose peach, trachelium, anthurium, and the leaves anthuriums and strelitzias. I have tried, of course, several others, but finally not used. The colors are close together to each other to make it look nice. By using other flowers in the same basic structure, you can create a complete different arrangement with the same technique. You can do that, for example, for Christmas or with all kinds of autumn flowers. The first step is to spread the green leaves horizontal over the base of the arrangement. The length of the green leaves determine the width and the depth of the arrangement. In the example, you can see the leaves on the right side already. Here, you can see exactly how the basic has been built when I remove the other flowers. You see nicely the triangle in it. And when I turn it, you can see that the back side is straight up. Step number 2. Insert the position of the center flower in the center. In this case, I have used the hyacinthus, as you can see now. I put them nicely in the center. Of course, you can differ with the length of each flower of the hyacinthus. Be careful in practice when you use hyacinthus. They can easily break. Step number 3. I've used 3 different dianthuses to determine the height of the arrangement and place them behind the hyacinthus. I also used the dianthus or carnation on the right side of the arrangement in a group and on the left bottom side. This gives them a very nice triangle look. Step number 4. Now I insert the chrysanthemum, the lysianthus and the roses from the bottom up. Insert the branches at the angle to create a 10-point star shape. At the back, you stick the flowers more vertical and on the side the flowers are more horizontal. Rotate the arrangement regularly to check it in the right way. The fix angle button here in the bottom craft tool could be of a big help. It works like this. Push on it. Get the angle, you see 54 and 375, and you push the save button. Now I'm going to turn it around. Now I see it from the side. When I want to have a front view again, I push the little eye here and it swips back to the position that I have fixed. Now I'm going to add the flowers, the chrysanthemums, the rose, and the lysianthus. Now you see that it becomes a nicely shaped triangle arrangement. Step number 5 is start filling up the triangle more with umbellifera flowers such as tragelians. The short ones for the volume and the longer one to support the dianthus in the vertical position. Of course, you can also use the Bouvardia or Gypsophila for this kind. Here we go. You see, they nicely fill up the gaps in your arrangement. And of course, you can easily drag and drop them to the right position and move them a little bit slightly to the backwards to make sure that they do not outstand. Look, this is what happens when you do not look at the side view. Use your shift button and throw it and bring it down to the size that you need. When you turn the bouquet again, you see that it is nicely positioned, maybe a little bit more to the back. There you go. This is the way how you can exactly start filling up all the positions of your bouquet. Of course, you have to make sure that all flowers are visible. This one is not good. The dianthus is too much on the back side. Slightly bring it forward, or sometimes you have to remove something like this. There you go. Now we are going to step number 6, the final step. To finish it off, stick the anthurium flowers at the back. Here they go. 4 pieces. This accentuates the shape and gives the whole an elegant look. You can optional add some shoot leaves to fill out the arrangement. View the arrangement by rotating it. Make sure the flowers do not stick out too long. There we go. Here you see the back side is nicely flat and it has a nice round shape to the front. On your table, this will look perfectly. Everybody would love it. Thank you, and I wish you all best by creating this classical triangle arrangement yourself. Bye!